Hello, welcome to this video. We want to talk about how we can plot XRD patterns in multi-stacking order. As we can remember, in previous video we talked about how we can plot XRD patterns for one data, but in this video we want to do it, but for the many XRD patterns or for many columns of data. Um, as we can remember, for the first step, we have to convert the format of the files into AST format. As you can see that I converted into AST format. We can do it by expert high score software, or even rename the file into AST format. And we have to copy and paste it into OriginPro software, or drag and drop it into the OriginPro software. We can do it easily by drag these files into software, and we can see that it is divided into different panels. When we compare these panels, we can see that um, and these XRD patterns have the same two theta positions or same X data column. So we don't have to copy all of these X columns. Just it is correct for Y columns because they have a different intensity. We can keep one of these X columns and um, do it for just for Y column. So we can open the one of the panels and just add columns to this book or this panel. We can use the add new columns options to add new columns. As we can remember, we have four XRD pattern, so we have to add three columns. Then we have to add the Y column. So we have to copy the Y column data, then paste it in there. And we have to do it the same for other XRD pattern. So you can see that we have four columns related to intensity and one column related to two theta positions. So we learned that if you want to plot XRD pattern, we have to use plot options, or we can use the below options that we have different options for plotting. We have to use stack lines by Y offset options, or and choose the Y stack lines by Y offsets from basic to the line options. We can see that we have a stack line by Y offset options in there, so we can choose it from one of these options. We can select the Y columns, then select one of these options. I want to select from the below options, stack line by Y offsets, and we can see that our XRD pattern is plotted in one panel. Um, we can customize our XRD patterns. As we can remember, we can select these XRD patterns and customize the font or thickness of these patterns. For example, I can choose the width of 3, and when I apply this for this pattern, you can see that it thickens when I choose the value of 3. Um, and even I can select this pattern and customize the color and the border, or even I can select the vertical and horizontal range. And for example, I want to enter different range for my intensity or to fit of position. Or for example, for horizontal range, I want to plot it from. mm it's okay because it's started from 20, so um, it's not needed to plot it from different range. So we can even enter different value for horizontal and vertical column or axis, or enter different value, or choose different options. Um, for example, from line and ticks, we can see that for the top option, we can select show line and ticks, and select none, and we can see that the top of our panel is enclosed. So we can select different options for our XRD pattern panels and customize it by our interest. Um, So we did it for different XRD patterns and plotted in multi-stacking order. In next video, we want to talk about how we can label XRD peaks and normalize the XRD patterns. Thank you for your attention. And if you are interested, you can subscribe or like this video. Thank you and goodbye.